You may have wondered, do bioethanol fireplaces produce carbon monoxide? No, they don't. Not when operated correctly. A properly designed bioethanol burner produces only heat, water vapor, and tiny amounts of carbon dioxide during combustion. That's why brands like EcoSmartFire design their burners to be completely flueless. There are no harmful gases or toxins that need to be vented outside. That being said, proper ventilation is still important for air quality and for comfort, just like when using any open fire. So if you're using a quality ethanol burner, the correct fuel, and in a well-ventilated room, carbon monoxide is not a concern.